Hello, my dear students. In this video, especially I am going to tell you about the matrices of class 12. Some properties, some types, kinds you can say of the matrices you have read in class 10, like square matrix, rectangle matrix, diagonal matrix, null matrix, identity matrix, etc. And also you have read addition of the two matrices, multiplication of the two matrices, and subtraction of the two matrices. The multiplication of the two matrices, there are the rules. But before that, the addition and subtraction only if the order of the matrices are same, you can add and subtract. Also you can compare of the two matrices. In class 10 it was there. But when we do the multiplication, then there is a rule, and that rule is, first we have the two matrices like this, and you know the rule. Just giving the type of revision of the multiplication, that if you have the order of this matrix, matrix A is P cross Q, means P rows, Q columns, and the matrix of this second matrix, the order is M rows, N columns. Then for multiplication, these two should be same. Matlab, number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Also, in continuation, the resultant matrix after multiplication, the order of the resultant matrix, मतलब इसको जो multiply करने के बाद after the multiplication, you will get the order of the resultant matrix as the remaining rows and columns, मतलब P cross N. This is the rule to multiply. If number of columns is not equal to number of rows, we cannot multiply. Means you can say the multiplication does not exist. The second one, the order of the matrix you cannot. Suppose anyone has written the A dot B, then you have to multiply A dot B. मतलब A को left side में, B को right side में. You cannot write like this B dot A, because A dot B is not equal to B dot A. So this is the rule to multiply. Now in this video I am going to explain you about some more things about the matrices. I have taken the reference of the book Understanding ISC Mathematics for Class 12 by ML Agrawal. In this is the chapter number 3, matrix, and exercise 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 based on addition, subtraction and multiplication, also comparison. One question I have taken from here, from these three, the different one, and also may be useful for you. One question is there, matrix A is equal to is this, and fx is equal to x square minus 4x plus 7. Show that fa is equal to 0, the first part. Second part, hence find aq. Why I have taken this question only in these exercises 1.3.1, 3.2, 3.3? Because of some reason. Generally, when you see the question, then you feel that this is very easy. how we can do the question A and this one fx, and we put the value of x is equal to A. Like this you will get the solution successfully. But there is a point. What is the point? First of all, you can get multiplication, addition and subtraction, all the three in this solution, in the solution of this question. First one, you have to show that fa is equal to 0. But fa, from where you will get fa? Means if we put x is equal to a here, then you will get fa. Okay. So in solution, if you write here fa is equal to a square minus 4a plus 7. Clear? Then you will say that I will put the values of a. Okay. So fa and this matrix is given a square, that is, as you know, you can multiply this one, write 2 times. A square means a into a minus 4a. A means 2, 3 minus 1, 2 and then plus 7. Clear? Sometimes students does like this, the square of the element, not multiply like this. Square of the element. That is absolutely wrong. You cannot do the square of the element in case of a square. A square means a dot a. Okay. Now multiply, you will get, after multiplication, how to multiply? This by this way, as you know, you have done in class 10. 2 into 2, that is 4. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. 4 minus 3. 2 into 3, that is 6. 3 into 2, that is 6, means 6 plus 6. Then close the matrix. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Then minus 1 into 3, minus 3, and 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay. And this minus 4 you can multiply 8, 12 minus 4 and 8 plus 7. Clear? Now simplify this one. 1, 12 minus 4 and 1 minus 8, 12 minus 4, 8 and plus 7. In class 10, no question was there that having only the digit, means plus 1 digit, scalar you cannot add into the matrices. You can multiply but you cannot add. So what to do now? There is a point. If any scalar is given with addition or with subtraction, then you must do or must multiply by an unit matrix. एक यूनिट मैट्रिक्स से मल्टीप्लाई करें, and this unit matrix is 1 0 0 1, 2 cross 2 order, the same order of the matrix A here. Then you can write, because unit matrix is the square matrix, and in the 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3, we have taken here only 2 cross 2 matrix, therefore you will take only the 1 0 0 1. Then multiply. This is the first point in the question that the student does not know, so इसको हमें बताना था. Now solve this. You will get fa is equal to, now you can add these two, but before that you multiply 7 here and you can subtract this one. So how will you? 1 minus 8 minus 7, 12 minus 12, that is 0, minus 4 plus 4, that is 0, and 1 minus 8, that is minus 7. Okay, and plus 7 0 0 7, and if you add these two, then you will get 0 0 0, and this is the zero matrix, null matrix. That is why, and it is shown that fa is equal to 0, means it is proved fa is equal to 0. Thereafter, it is given in the question, hence find a cube. Hence find a cube का मतलब, अभी हमने a स्क्वायर निकाला यहाँ पे, this is the a square, this one, and multiply a square into a, this is wrong. If you do by this way, second part, hence find a cube. तो if you do a cube is equal to a square into a, और a square बाकी तुम निकाल चुके हो, तो you cannot multiply by this way. This is wrong. The meaning of hence means you have to use first part of the question. This is the meaning of the mathematical meaning of the hence. You have to use the previous part of the question to show or to find the given part, मतलब asking जो भी part, ask part. So how will you do? How will you find the a cube? By using fa is equal to 0. तो ये अभी हमने निकाला a square minus 4a plus 7i is equal to 0. It is shown already in the first part. Just you take a square is equal to 4a minus 7i. Okay. Then multiply by matrix A both the sides. So a square into a is equal to 4a dot a minus 7i dot a. You will get here a cube is equal to 4a square minus 7a, because I into a is a. Unit matrix type of 1 in mathematical way. तो 7a हो जाएगा. Now you can put directly a square और a, जो भी a square निकाला था तुमने, उसमें हम इसको पुट कर दें, तो this will be 4a square जो अभी निकाला गया है, that is maybe this something, तो उसको अगर हम निकालें तो जो minus 1 12 and minus 4, इसको एक बार निकाल लेते हैं because I have dropped this one. तो इसको in this case will have 2 3 minus 1 2 2 3 minus 1 2, just for rough. 2 to the 4 minus 3 1 2 3 the 6 12 and minus 1 2 minus 2 minus 4. Okay, minus 1 3 minus 3 and 2 to the 4 1. Clear. So this is the a square, and then minus 7a. Only you put the value of it, 2 3 minus 1 2. Then simplify this one. 4 you multiply here, 4 48 minus 16 and then 4 minus 14 21 minus 7 and 14, and then subtract. So you will get 4 minus 14 minus 10, 48 minus 21 7 2 27, then minus 16 plus 7 20 minus 16 plus 7 means minus 9, and 4 minus 14 minus 10. This is the answer. So in this case you will get the such type of answer. But what is the difference in the using a cube, means using the hence and show that the fx is equal to जहाँ पे constant term होता है plus 7 या plus 5 या minus 5, in that case you must multiply by the unit matrix. So this is the first video in which I have explained one question, but it is very fruitful for you. Generally the students does the mistake like this. इस तरह की मिस्टेक करते हैं कि a क्यूब निकालना है तो a स्क्वायर इंटू a कर दिया एंड यू विल नॉट गेट एनी मार्क्स फॉर दिस पार्ट. एंड ऑल्सो इफ यू हैव द प्लस एनी कांस्टेंट और उसको 7 हम डायरेक्टली ऐड कर दें, इसमें सब में ऐड कर दें, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. तो इसको जरा ध्यान दीजिएगा किसी भी एग्जामिनेशन में. In the next video, I will tell you about the transpose of the matrix and some more property like the skew symmetric and symmetric matrix. So keep on watching this my video. Study Bright channel. Follow the this channel and subscribe. Then you'll get the latest information about your exams also as well as study purpose. Thank you.